Okay, hi guys. So today I have something that since I heard it was coming out, I've been dying to have. Guys, I'm gonna cry. So for anybody who knows me, you know that I'm obsessed with everything Rihanna, but this Fenty line is just a blessing. It's just amazing. So today I got my hands on this baby. It's so gorgeous. If you don't know, it's the Fairy Balm Plush Shimmer Packed Puff with Instant Body Glitz. It's called the Fairy Balm and it's in color Rose on Ice. It has a little accent on the E, so it's Rosé on Ice. And guys, I sampled it. Well, like I was able to play with it a little bit at Sephora, and it's so beautiful. I haven't opened my box yet, so I'm unboxing this baby with you right now, and I'm obsessed already. Honestly, so here's the thing. This packaging is amazing, and part of the reason I bought this is for the packaging. Like, I mean, I think if you buy this, it's partly because of the packaging. Like, hold on. It comes in this beautiful little, is this octagon shaped? Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second. It's a hexagon. Yeah, sorry, I just remembered. It's this beautiful little hexagon shaped packaging, which is similar to her matchsticks shape. It's so cute. I really like this packaging. I think it's awesome. Right, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Because I don't know if I'm ready. I'm stalling a little bit because so this baby was $42, and I wasn't able to get my hands on the Body Lava though. They were sold out, so I was a little upset about that. But I kind of, when I was playing with this, I think I wanted to get this one. I was like, well, I don't prefer it because I haven't tried the Body Lava yet, so I don't know. But they had this one there and I was just so ecstatic. I was like, okay, sold. Oh. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Look at that. How cute is this? What? This is so cute, guys. I'm kind of obsessing. So I think I'm just gonna have this on my freaking makeup table, just kind of like just sitting there because this is gorgeous. Oh my god. And you put your little fingers in here. Hold on. I put highlight on my nose, but I didn't put any on the rest of my face because I'm like literally just gonna. Oh, I should change my shirt. Yes, I should. Oh. Okay, I'm back. Hold on. So I just went on and I just put hold on, let me fix my hair. Okay, so I'm being super extra right now for this. So I had to put on this like super cleavage, like, you know, I put on my bombshell bra and I put on this corset so you can see this. So because it's not like you need to put this on your body, like you need to put this everywhere too. Okay, so hold. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it comes like this. So it's pre-filled already. So there's nothing. It's just like this little silicone gel thing in there. It's empty in here. It's just to hold it. Guys, this thing smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, hunty. Okay, my body is ready. My body is ready. see it? Oh, hunty. Wait, can you see that? Oh, shit, bitch. Oh, it's like it has like a very rose goldy, like a pinkish purplish tint to the shimmer. Sorry, I'm trying to get my bangs out the way. Honey. Oh. Can I bathe in this? Is that acceptable? Honestly, guys, I think my face. Oh my god, I can see it. It's so gorgeous. Sorry. It has like a pinkish, purplish, goldish flecks to the glitter. So I see why it's called like a fairy bomb, because it has like those nice pink and purple hues to it. And it's like a very gold. I don't know if you can see. Hold on. See if I can. Can you see? Ooh. You know what I like? I like that you can also kind of see it, not like when you're, like you can definitely see it when you're directly in the sun, but also when you're not directly in the sun, you can still see like a little bit of that hue, like that pink rose gold hue, and I really like that. It's like super subtle, but I'm kind of living for it. It's super subtle, but it's there. So in conclusion, guys, I played around with this baby for a little bit right now in the sun, trying to see if like how much you can see it. And so it's $42, and you don't need it. Like, it's definitely a luxury item. You don't need it, but you need it. But you need this in your life, because this thing, it gives you such a pretty glow. And I'm not big for like, I don't like, oh hunty, I like how it's like a puff. First of all, when you apply this, you feel like, okay bitch. But also I usually don't like oils and stuff like that, lotions. I don't like body lotions. Like, I don't really like the feel of it. So I like that this is like a dry like shimmer, you know what I'm saying? So I like this, and like I said, it's $42, so it's kind of expensive, but you need this baby. You don't need her, but you need her in your life, because she just gives you a subtle shimmer, you know? It's not like one of those body lotions that's like obnoxiously like pink, purple, like sparkles. No, they're like really small shimmers. Oh my god, but they're so pretty. And you can definitely see, right now I'm looking at it, you can definitely see like the pink hues. The pink and gold is like a pink and gold hue to it. So fucking pretty. It's so pretty, dude. Oh my god. That's all I have to say. It's gorgeous. I mean, for the $42 that you're paying, you definitely get a little luxury item. It definitely, like, the packaging is nice, the product itself is good, it feels nice and luxurious. It doesn't feel like a cheap little pom-pom. So there's nothing else to say about it, except other than it's gorgeous. And if you can see yourself, like I said, it's more of a luxury item. So if you don't mind spending the $42, I think you'll like it. You'll definitely feel happy with your purchase, because Fenty, like Rihanna, you just keep coming for my life, and I'm literally gonna wear this every day from now on, because it's gorgeous. I think especially if you're wearing like a strapless like this, if you're doing like a nice outdoor party, if you're doing like something in the sun and you want your skin shimmering, going to the beach. Yes, easy application too. It's not like you have to sit there and lotion yourself up. Like, you just go, and this thing, it comes, oh, it just lays on your body so pretty. I'm kind of obsessed. I didn't think I would be so obsessed with it, but yeah, this is doing it for me. Oh. Okay, well, that's all for my unboxing and review. I thought I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and review because I want to start wearing this baby immediately, all the time. So I just wanted to unbox her on camera and show you what to expect if you are thinking about picking her up. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Hasta luego. Bye.